Today's Moose Soup for the month of November is our second annual chili cook-off. This seems to be a really big event here in the office. The guys like the competition. I am wearing first place. Last year, our very own Shawn Michael won it with a white chicken chili that second place winner, John, from last year was really, and still stands behind that white chicken chili is not chili. Okay guys,
listen up!
Alright, so instead of just doing chili, we're also doing the best named chili. The contenders were wrote from their chilies in case you did want to read them. Chris West won with the name of Uranus Fire Chili.
Uranus Fire.
Woo!
Clark Griswold.
What's the best name chili?
No, but what number was that?
All right, then going to third place would be Mark, who is not here. Where's Mark? Got your thing up this one before. Our second place goes to Aaron.
Yeah.
And our winner.
Drum roll.
You get bragging rights for the next year.
Well, it's like cheat code because I did white chili and was the only cream-based chili out of the 11. So, I mean, there's jalapenos, heavy whipping cream, sour cream, all of the good things that make things creamy and awesome.
I would say that it's different. So, like, I've had a chili recipe for probably, 10 years, always consistent. Maybe you mix up like a couple of spices, but I've kept it pretty consistent. Always get really good compliments, but last year I submitted it and it didn't win. So I was a little disappointed. Not disappointed, well, yeah, I was disappointed. And I wasn't even actually supposed to be in this chili contest, but we had a contestant drop out. So it was kind of a last minute thing. And my thought was, I'm gonna try something different, and I'm either gonna win or definitely lose. And it was the former, not the latter. So.
Oh, well, Trey is a formidable foe. I would not have picked a better person to pass on the torch for best chili. The guy's taste for spices, and he's also the company chef. Like, he cooks all the food and everything like that. I can't be too butthurt about it. Also, because last year when I won it, I didn't do anything for the chili. That was all my wife's work.
Is white chicken chili a chili or a soup?
Yeah, so actually I needed the 15 minutes to prep for this because I did extensive research on this exact topic. So while the definition of chili does indicate that it is a soup made with any type of meat, generally legumes, and can be tomato based, the definition of white chili also indicates that it is a quote-unquote chili and not just a soup. So for all the haters out there, I mean, it's in the name. So, should be.
No. The answer is no. White chicken chili is not, it's not chili. It is a soup, but it's not chili. And it's kind of like cheating, basically. You have a bunch of red chilies, authentic chilies, and then everybody, especially in the Midwest, loves cream cheese and chicken. So it's like, I don't know, taking candy from a baby. You know, it's easy, and you're kind of guaranteed that just because it's different, you're gonna get some votes. I mean, it was decent soup. Aaron's soup is what we're talking about. But is it a chili? No.
The moose knows how to roof.